In this video, I will explain the side menu inside the Crisp POS app. To begin, press the 3 horizontal lines on the top left of the screen. Here you will see a lot of options. To begin, we're going to look at the very bottom where it says Clock In. Here you can clock in and you can select the job. To clock out at the end of your shift, go ahead and press Clock Out. This will take you back to the main screen. To get back in, re-enter your PIN code. Next up is the order screen. If you would like to see how an order is placed, please go watch our video, Taking an Order. Next is opening the cash drawer. This will open the cash drawer that you have linked to this register in the settings. Next up is Kitchen. Once you press the Kitchen button, a drop-down will appear. This will show the KDS and Expo and any additional ones that you've added. Once an order is placed, it will go to the KDS first. Once the kitchen has finished the ticket, they will submit Done, and it will move to the Expo screen, where the expediter will deliver to the customer. The next two buttons give you the ability to check gift card and loyalty. To check a gift card, simply click Check Gift Card button. This will pull up your front-facing camera where you can scan the QR code on the back of the gift card. Then it will populate the balance. If you're not able to scan the gift card but you have the number, you can enter it in here. Then it will show the balance and the name associated with the gift card. Next is checking loyalty. To check someone's loyalty, simply enter their number on the screen and it will show you their loyalty balance and points accrued. You are also able to offer a refund through this page for loyalty balance. Once you click the Management section, it will drop down. Note that this Management section is only available if you have the correct permissions set under the dashboard. First, let's talk about stock. If we go into stock, you are able to mark any products or modifiers out of stock. For example, say that you are almost out of your sugar cookie. You can click on sugar, enter how many you have left, and click the blue button. This will note that you only have 5 sugar cookies left. If a sugar cookie is ordered, whether on the POS in-store or through your online ordering, this number will go down. If you have not caught a product before it is all the way gone, you can click on it again and enter that is out of stock. Once you get that product back in stock, you can click on it and say that it is unlimited or enter the amount available. Next, we have refund. If you click into refund, you can refund any amount through cash, credit card, or loyalty. If you choose the credit card button in this general refund section, you will need to manually swipe or enter the credit card again. To refund an order directly back to the credit card in which it was paid, you will need to go to your History tab and click on a specific order. Here, you can refund an order by choosing the products to refund, the reason why, and clicking Credit Card. This will then refund that amount directly to the credit card without having to swipe it again. Next is our cash drop with paid in and paid outs. Let's start with paid in and paid outs. If you click paid out, this means you are taking money out of the register you have associated. For example, say that I need to go to the store and buy some limes. I'm going to take $5 out and I'm going to choose the reason that I need food inventory. This has now told your system that your cash register has $5 less in it. For a paid in, you're doing the opposite. You're telling your register that you're putting money into it without actually making a sale. For example, I need to place a roll of quarters into my cash drawer. I'm going to do a paid in for $10 and say that my reason is a deposit. If you are diligent about your paid in and paid outs, your cash drawer will stay balanced. If you have done all the paid out and paid ins for the day, you can go ahead and do a cash drop. Make sure to do the cash drop only once a day in the evening when you have closed. To do a cash drop, start with the beginning till amount that you have in your register at the beginning of each day. Now go through and count up how many bills and coins you have. Once all the bills and coins have been counted, it will show a drawer total at the bottom of the screen. This will subtract the till amount and give you the amount that you need for your cash drop or your bank deposit. Once this is done, you can press the Drop Cash button. Lastly, if you need to connect your CFD or a customer-facing display to the specific screen, follow the instructions on this screen. Next, we have tasks. Tasks will give your employees to-do lists to complete during their shift. You are able to print a report on receipt paper. You may choose any of the following reports. Next, we have support. If you wish to chat with a CRISP support team agent, you may message us here, or you can also view any FAQs. For example, if you're having an issue with the hardwired payment device, you can click here and it'll give you a rundown on how to fix it. To learn more about settings, please view our POS settings video.